Hi everyone, welcome. In the last few lessons in this course, we've been working with regular ER verbs in the present tense. Knowing how to conjugate regular ER verbs in the present tense in French really opens up your abilities to express yourself in the language. So far, you've learned how to conjugate parler, to speak, travailler, to work, aimer, to like or to love, chanter, to sing, étudier, to study, adorer, to adore, détester, to hate, habiter, to live. These are your endings for regular ER verbs in the present tense. If you've memorized these, then you can easily conjugate any of the verbs that you just saw on the previous list. So our new verb is to look for, which in French is chercher. This is a regular ER verb in the present tense. Remember that you always start with the root. You find the root of the verb by removing the ER. So I have my root here, and all I have to do is add my ending for je, which is e. Je cherche. Je cherche. I look for. I am looking for. I do look for. You look for. Tu cherches. Tu cherches. You look for. You do look for. You are looking for. He looks for. Il cherche. She looks for. Elle cherche. One looks for. On cherche. Remember, il, elle, on share the same form. Vous cherchez. You look for. So let's go ahead and combine the conjugated verb with a noun. This would be the direct object or the thing that you're looking for. So in this first example, I look for the keys, or I am looking for the keys. Je cherche les clés. I'm looking for bread, the bread. Je cherche le pain. I'm looking for a pen. Je cherche un stylo. You're looking for the keys. Tu cherches les clés. You're looking for the bread. Tu cherches le pain. You're looking for a pen. Tu cherches un stylo. He's looking for the keys. Il cherche les clés. He's looking for the bread. Il cherche le pain. He's looking for a pen. Il cherche un stylo. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.